Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another speed crafty challenge video for you guys. So you guys really seem to enjoy my 15-minute pocket letter challenge video, which I will leave a link to down below in case you have not seen it. It was really fun, a little stressful, but the project came out really cute, and I have gotten some requests to do another one of these speed challenge videos. So today I am making a birthday card, and I'm giving myself a 10-minute limit. I feel like that's a pretty generous amount of time, but I am not the best at making cards. I try really hard and I feel like I am improving, but I don't know. We shall see how this goes. So I have 10 minutes set on my clock. I did go ahead and pull some supplies from around my crafty room just so I wasn't having to get up all the time and stuff. So I've got a birthday stamp by Allie Edwards, this paper pad by Amy Tangerine, ink pad and stamp block, couple of rolls of washi, and then a couple of sticker books, so I might use those. And then I have 2 pieces of mixed media paper here as well, just in case I need them. So here you can see that I have 10 minutes set on my timer, so I'm actually going to put my phone over here so you guys can still see it, but it's kind of out of the way, and I'm so excited. Okay, let's go right now. Oh, okay. All right, so here we go. Oh man, this doesn't ever get old. It's kind of silly. Okay, so maybe we could do like 5 by, well, I think I just want to fold this in half maybe. Let's go ahead and fold it in half. This card is going to be kind of small. It's all right. Where is my bone folder? Oh, it's right here. It's right here in front of my face. Okay. That'll be all right. I mean, it's kind of a square card, but that's okay. I was thinking of doing like 5 by 4, but I feel like that would just be really small. But just trim just a little. Okay. All right, so there is my card base. So I prefer to do a card base. I just find that's a lot easier for me. Let's pick out a piece of paper. Oh, this blue is really pretty. So this card is actually for my boyfriend, Bill, for his birthday. He doesn't really care too much about cards and things, so that's really cute. He's happy. So I figure he'll be happy with whatever he gets. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you may have seen some of his videos that he's done here. So usually I make something and then he does a voiceover for it, and it's really fun. And sometimes he's clueless, but sometimes he knows what he's doing. Actually, I don't know, like I like this one a lot. That's kind of fun. My apologies if you can hear sounds in the background. We have airplanes and things that come fly over us all the time. So, all right. That. No. If you hear my dog barking, that's also fun. No. No. He's not very bright. Okay. This is real life, guys. This is what happens. Alright. So I'm just trimming this piece of paper down so it's a little bit smaller than my card base, because that's normally what I like to do. So maybe do something like that. And then I was going to stamp like a birthday on here. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm running out of time already. Okay. Perfect. Alright, trim this down a little bit. feel like I kind of want to make this into like a flag to go on the front of the card. Something like that. Okay. Let me have this happy here. So I was thinking of kind of layering this, but I don't know how that will look. You can trim this down a little bit more. Something like that. I think that might be okay with some foam tape. Like this. Okay. Oh my, running out of time. What else is new? Okay. Right, like that. Like I said, I do also have washi tape. I might not use it though. Might not use it. All right, let's go and start gluing the things down. That. Ah, I'm running out of time. I'm sorry I'm not talking much, you guys. I'm so focused on trying to get this done. Like cards and me, oh my gosh, I feel like not a great pairing. All right, that looks cute like that. This is my card front. And then there were, oh my gosh, everything is sticking and flying. Oh my gosh, why? Okay, so I saw in here earlier that there are some like these little phrasey things, and I thought these would be cool. Like, you are one of a kind, maybe. Be cute if it will fit. One of a kind, I don't know. Will you fit? Will you fit? Birthday. Kind of. Okay, that's fine. And then I thought there were like some little stars or something in here too. If I can find them in time. Yeah, these little yellow stars. Like right there. I'm just going to put some of these around the card. That should be okay. Maybe one more, just so that it's an odd number. Okay, and then do I have time for jemmies? I might. So you have these like little yellow ones. Add a little bit more sparkle. I think it's too many though now. Okay, that's good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, and I didn't even stamp anything on the inside yet. What? Oh my gosh. What even is my life right now? Alright, so I'm going to do some adhesive here on the back of my panel. Pop that on the front. Like so. That's good. And then I want to stamp something on the inside. Happy birthday. Seriously, how old are you really? Oh, why not? Why not? It is Bill. He likes funny things. Okay. Like a piece of adhesive from the Jemmy stuck under my nail. Because that's where it goes. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of time. Okay. Okay, there we go. I think we did it. Okay, so we have a few seconds to spare. All right, so this is the finished card. I think it turned out okay. For what it is, I think it's cute and I think it's fine and I think Bill will like it. I think he appreciates cards regardless if they're good or not. So let's all cross our fingers that he enjoys this one. Okay, so it's happy birthday. You are one of a kind. It's Jemmies and little stars and all the things. And then on the inside it says, seriously, how old are you really? Which I think is funny. So anyway, hopefully he enjoys this for his birthday. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this timed crafty challenge. I now challenge you to make a card in 10 minutes or less because I want to see how much better your cards are than mine. So if you wind up making a video in response to this, link it down below in the comments so that I know that you made one and I can go watch it. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, I smudged the ink. What even is my life? I don't even know. Bye!